Hi, Jay Pathak here. I'm the National Director for Vineyard USA, and I am so excited to hear that Renovation of the Heart is being re-released. Dallas Willard's epic, beautiful book. I mean, of course, I love The Divine Conspiracy. Everybody loves this book, but man, do I love Renovation of the Heart. I mean, this is one of those books that I've recommended, I don't even know how many times, countless amount of times, to help people think through how real transformation takes place. There's so many people that have lost hope that real transformation can take place in their life. And sadly, many of those folks are Christian leaders, pastors, ministry leaders who have just gotten beaten down by so many of the broken and confusing discipleship processes that we've built over time. We're shocked that the things that we're doing don't produce lasting transformation and change. And what I so appreciate about Dallas's work here, Renovation of the Heart, is how clear it is, how biblical it is, how Dallas works through so many of the different texts that many of us are familiar with, but helps sort of tie it all together into a cohesive framework that helps us think about how transformation takes place in our lives and the lives of people that we care about. So I couldn't more highly recommend this book, and I'm super excited it's being re-released. And I'm hoping that a whole new generation, a whole new swath of leaders gets access to this really, really important work.